Yeah.
Alright guys, so let's get into it. So first thing, you're going to open your Inshot. So the first step here is to create a text video. So you're going to click on video, click on new, take a blank background and click on OK. So we're using the canvas for YouTube. You can change your canvas here depending on where you want to do it, but I'm currently using this canvas for YouTube. Okay. Alright, so we create our text. So I want to give my background a white color. So I'll go to background and I'll give it a white color. Now I go to text, click on text, and I type the text boxing in black, just like that. And I'm going to expand this as big as I want. So this might be okay. So when I click on that, click on OK, and I save it in my phone. Alright, so there we go. So next step is you go back to Inshot, open Inshot, click on video. So let me just close and start from the beginning so you see. So next step, go back to Inshot, click on video, click on new. Now you import the video you want to apply that effect on. So this is the video. So what we do now, from the beginning of the video, we click on PIP and import our text video that we created. This is it. And now we're going to click here to make it a full screen. Now we'll scroll through, we're still editing the PIP, okay? So we'll scroll through and we go to blend. Then we click on screen. And we're going to be able to take off the black text color. So we're seeing through the text. Alright, so now highlight your text, go through. You can forward your video to about 1 second. It doesn't really matter, time isn't that specific. So let me say 1 second like this. Okay, and I will split it. You can do 1.5, whatever you want. So you can split it. Click on split. So you're going to break it off. At the same time, you add a keyframe. If you don't know how to use the keyframe animation, check the link in the description, please. It will really help you. There's a whole video on how to use keyframe animation in Inshot. So you add a keyframe and move through to maybe like half of the other part of the video, and then here you go to mask. You use this lateral mask and then you shift it all up with your finger like that. So we're going to add a keyframe here. So we have a keyframe here. If you look at the line, you'll be seeing it. And we have another one here, another one here. All right, so if I play the video now, that's what I'm going to see. Okay, so highlight the half that you add your keyframe animation to it, and then you click on copy, not duplicate. When you click on duplicate, it duplicates along the same timeline, so you can delete that. Let me delete that just to show you. So when you highlight it, you click on copy. It's going to copy that part of the video exactly on top. Now the one you just copied, this is what we're working on now. Highlight it, go back to mask, click here to invert the mask that we did for the first one. So we now have the opposite of it, and click on OK. So we have 2 keyframes here as well because we copied it. So I can delete this keyframe by clicking on the keyframe minus. I can delete this keyframe for the second one, the second part of the video that we copied. So I'll click here, delete. Then now I draw this down to apply a new one, okay, because there's already a first keyframe in the beginning. All right, now I click on OK. So I do that so that I should have all my keyframes, my animations are aligning at the same spot. So if I play the video, I'm going to have this. It's as easy as that. So if you want to add some music, that's up to you. You can just go to music and you can add it up. So just play the video and see how it looks like. You're done with your editing, you need to do is save it to your phone. So that's all for
Yeah.